Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you how to duplicate an object around a circle. So for this we obviously have to go to the ellipse tool. Let's just open a ellipse tool. It should be in exact size so that you may get a center point exact. So for this what you will be needing, Ctrl R. If you press Ctrl R, you can see the ruler boxes here. I'm taking the ruler boxes here because just to make sure I'm in the center point. Well, let's change the end bulb. Let's change the color of it, and the stroke is kind of 1 or 2 is okay. Let's give a yellow color, okay, so that it is can be clearly shown. Now let's see, is it in the middle side or not? Let's just check. Kind of, right? Intersection, and let's just, it's intersection. I guess these all are in the right sides. Intersect. I'll just check one for again. It should be in the middle size, obviously. Okay, I guess it's in the middle size. Yeah. So then what you will be needing to do, let's take another thing. It just give a color red, and let's just make another circle of it around it. Let's zoom more so that you can get the exact size of it. Okay, so then go to the rotate tool. Its shortcut key is R. If you press R, then you can go to the, now I will do nothing, just will press the alter option and we'll see what will happens. Rotation, it should be selected, then go to the rotation, and you can see the center point is here. Let's just zoom it more. You have to drag it. You have to drag it where? Just remote, you have to drag the center point to the intersect. As you can see, if I make a zoom in, then you can see the center point is here. Okay, so let's just do it. Another thing now I will just I'll just press alter, and you can see the another cursor is here, which is means a duplicate of it. Let's just drag down. After make a zoom, let's zoom it so to just see that clearly, and we'll just drag it down to here a little bit. You just copy it. And do you know guys, what's another shortcut is Ctrl D to make a huge copy of it. I'm just pressing the Ctrl V. It's just going down. Can you see guys? Let's just zoom out and just to show you the clear. Why it's going outside the, do you know why it's going out? It's because the round shape is not properly done. Perfectly, it's not round. That's why it just happened. And another problem is, you can see, is the round shapes, these objects are not clearly perfectly done, because if you make a copy of it, it has no distance. as this distance between this and this is not the same, so we are facing a problem. So what we need to do now, Control D, press Control D. As you can see, this is going around the circle. Perfectly done. So here you have to sometimes have to change of it, like some people makes the distance between this and that. You just bring another copy, and to be continued you just have to Control D, pressing it, it will just give a good shape. Whoa, it's done. This is how this rotate tool will help you to make a different kinds of design. Thanks for watching.